As part of welcoming the New Year 2025, the Seng Samla Mission Compound Shillong had organized a week-long celebration from the 13th to 18th of January 2025. The event featured various competitions, culminating in the distribution of prizes to the winners. The closing ceremony was graced by the MLA of North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, as the chief guest, and the Deputy Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council PNCA as the guest of honor, along with the village headman and other dignitaries. In his address, Adelbert Nongrum highlighted the resilience of the forefathers who firmly resisted the British government's offers before their departure from the Khasi Hills, ensuring the preservation of cultural traditions as they are today.
First runner-up, Aurora M. Lingdor Mauplang. First runners-up, Aurora M. Lingdor Mauplang. Coming in push of the fancy dress. First prize, Alethea Romnong. First prize, Alethea Romnong.
Jadi berkani kadi gentu yaki way pat ki Seng Samla. Ngamnut bangan ai yang special bangan enmark special fund nak kapitai Seng Samla ibu bu napo konsuensi. Namar kami ikin mi syakmat kin involve ki activities uper kumno banlum banlang yaki kon Samla banlait nak jingop jing di bubun rukom kita jing di kerni ki basnio. Namar iki binti bo ki Samla kin de kalawai. Lada ki Samla jong ni kawa. Present generation mata kitrot kiswai kipang kikro kilali paino ni sapertai tanga po kalai po lai pesan sinem saupu sinem hangno pat ngin kibilenti tiringa kentu bagi Seng Samla jong konsuensi brokoi kamtam pi Seng Samla jong do barsnong tunang lum nang lang kamtam ikun Samla kani kadi gawai ka ba kalak lenti ban yakun martang ni ki rehab center kanong biang tang lembak jing persang jong government kunun pundo jaj jing snio kijing di babon rukom kanong biang ngidai kijing trailam kijong ilang baro adu ki Seng Samla ki Seng Long kemi kumju ki dor barsno per mangi kum ki amali MDC but kani kan long collective responsible ka bangi hapan shim lang kum kawai ki jingkit clear ban rating kom ya ki jing snio ko de ban penmlian ki kun Samla bakin involve bakin pen kelanmet hagi babun ki benta ya la dia kenang bakin kwa bakin job penyalek persya yeno ki jing snio ki jing pensoi ki bawan ban atak hagi jingin bujongki kumak ni ki por kia ko bang lei sngo kordet khamtam ki long yong sem ki bambiang ka snenga khrau ki bambiang ka yo ka kot ki hamare dang step ru namiet la shugi ki khun la shupet ki himmen la shupet ki marjan de mar khadaw la yo la ki ni ki jing snio babun ban wan ban yuroj ban wan ban penjot ban penprai ki long yong sem bada ki imlang ka salang kani kadi koi ka banta ba kumno ngila ban rat ding khong da ka bangi penlong yi ki activities na ka por kanum dei tang sisen sisnan tingar makular ru balemba ka skim ru min sai perkhat kham kerpang kam dei tanam tagi developmental activities ki bade ki nala ki bade ki footpath and rei kham tam ki human resource development ka bodong kam na ka banta jing wi samna bayet ki khun ki brang he ki brang san ken mau ka tin jong play ka pen ken mau ba hoi ni don ka partai ngan pen ken mau biang bangim dei pat jong ka partai namar ki don ki sama ko ong ba ka jengim bari ke jonga ngendi ngen bam kat pangimon ndon bala partikular kadi ke jengim jonga ngilong try dal dia de mat khadaw babun hakalai po lai pesan saupu snam kali pai no nang extra partai tungen kin mau mane beteng ki jing duai kam tam bani i ya ki jingkla ani kari ko i ki jongi bangi ko nong mi khbat ru ngin perkhat kam tam ki interest na ko banta ka imlang kasalang umri bantai ladi